Genius Wigs. You guys can install this super easy and quickly, 5 minutes or less. So if you guys are interested in seeing the full from start to finish tutorial on how I installed this unit, then definitely keep watching this video. So I'm going to first start with the unboxing just to show you guys exactly how the unit came packaged to me. So inside the box, it does come with the wig unit. They also included a hairline scarf to lay down the lace. They also included elastic band, wig cap, as well as a edge brush and duo comb. This wig unit is a short pixie cut lace closure wig. It comes in a 6-inch. It's 150% density, and it's a natural curly texture. The next thing that I do when it comes to installing my wig unit is, of course, prepping the wig unit for the install. So these are the supplies that I will be using. I will go in and pluck the hairline of the lace closure. It already comes pre-plucked, but of course I always go in and pluck it more myself. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do. I use the standard tweezer. I do use water, and then I use a rat tail comb just to kind of part the hair and pluck it.
Oh na na na, 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 yeah. One time now for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah, the sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl. Ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs.
Now I'm going to go ahead and install the unit. So before I actually place the unit on my head, because this is a natural curly unit, I'm going to go in with some water mixed in with some Aussie moisturizing conditioner. I'm going to spritz the hair with that just to make the curls pop. And then I'm also going in with my dimming brush as well. So after I do that, the next thing that I will do is go ahead and install the unit and create my parting and lay down the front lace. I do use the Got2b gel to lay down the front lace. And I'm also going to be going in with some foundation powder that matches close to my skin tone, just to make the lace look as a natural parting. So while you guys watch me install the unit, I did want to give you guys a little bit of details of my experience with installing this unit. I definitely would have to say the hair is really soft. I did notice that the ends of the hair on the lace closure was a little bit different from the rest of the hair. I did notice that when I was actually applying the water onto the hair. Another thing is this unit was very easy to install. I didn't have any issues laying down the lace or creating my part.
Yeah, the sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl. Ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody. I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life. No. You do what you have to, I know that it's hard. On the low, bounce around, 2 different jobs. But you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here. But you have to do what you have to know. Yeah. No, closed mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down and you better not. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge one should judge. No one should. Girl, I gotta tell you, you the best from time. I just had to get that off my chest. Hope you don't mind. No. I mean, who am I to judge you? Take your time, girl. I mean, who am I to rush you? Baby, fall in love with you. Oh. Ooh. Baby, girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, fair when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh.
I noticed there was no excessive shedding, tangling, or matting with this unit. I do love this unit overall. Very simple, very easy to install. So if you guys are interested in a natural curly pixie cut unit that you can easily install onto your head, I highly recommend this unit. If you guys are interested, I will leave all the information about this unit down below in the description section. Once again, this unit is from Geniuswigs.com. I will leave the link to their website down below as well. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions or comments, always leave them down below in the comment section, and I try to answer everyone's comments. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching my videos. I know a lot of you have been with me for a long time, and I highly appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. And as always, you guys, I will see you in the next video.
Yeah. One time now for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah. The sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl. Ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody, body. I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life. I don't know. You do what you have to, I know that it's hard. On the low, bounce around, 2 different jobs. Oh.